In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. We'll build a clean, organized navigation that groups related pages under one menu label so visitors can find what they need faster. First, log into your Squarespace account so you're looking at your site's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you've opened the correct one before moving on. From the left-hand sidebar, open the website section. This takes you to the core controls for your site's structure and design. Next, go to Pages. This is where your navigation lives and where we'll create and organize the dropdown. Focus on the main navigation area at the top of the Pages panel. Items you add here appear in your site's primary menu, usually across the top of your site. Make sure you're not working in footer or not linked if you want the menu to appear in your header. To add a new menu item, click the plus icon. A panel will appear with different options. Choose Dropdown. In Squarespace, a dropdown is essentially a folder that can contain multiple pages. When a visitor hovers over or taps the folder name in your navigation, the list expands to reveal those pages. Give your new dropdown a clear, concise name. Think of it like a category label, short, descriptive, and easy to scan, such as services, resources, or about. You can change this name anytime, so don't overthink it. Now add content to the dropdown. If you already have the pages created, simply drag each one from the main navigation and drop it into the new dropdown folder. You'll see a slight indent that confirms the page is nested inside. If you don't have a page yet, click Add Page directly beneath the dropdown. Pick your page type, name it, and it will be created inside the folder automatically. Once your pages are inside the dropdown, you can fine-tune the order. Click and drag pages up or down within the folder to set the sequence you want visitors to see. Put the most important or most frequently visited pages near the top to reduce clicks and improve usability. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, preview your site and hover over the new menu label to confirm the dropdown behaves as expected on desktop, and tap it on mobile to ensure the items expand properly. If something feels off, return to Pages, adjust the names or order, and save again. That's all it takes to create a clean, professional drop-down menu in Squarespace.